Bimklue Revit question. Dome reinforcements. Bimklue Q&A. Question: how do I model reinforcements for a dome? Bimklue Q&A. Answer: you may use the free-form rebar to create the reinforcements for a dome or curved-shaped 3D objects. This is a new type of rebar feature introduced in Revit 2018.1, where you can select the surfaces of the structural elements for rebar alignments either on a 3D or plane view. This free-form rebar can be found under the Structure tab, then Rebar, followed by Modify, Place Freeform Rebar tab, and then Freeform Rebar. Here's how. Next, start with Plan View, draw a reference plan here. We symbol name is as Plan A here. Okay, talk about dome. The first thing that comes into our mind is always rotation. So, we're going to create a model in place by using Revolve tool. We assume it has 2 meters radius. Then, we assume the thickness is 150 millimeters. We place the rotation axis a bit further from the center, so we can still have a surface to select when we are placing the rebar. We do half of the rotation, 180 degrees. Okay, this is our curved surface. Then, we start to place the rebars. We use Freeform Rebar tool. Then, we place rebar along the selected surface. We set the rebar placement to a standard of 150 mm spacing. We select the first surface. Then, we select the rebar starting point, we call it Start Surface. Finally, the end surface. Tick it to finish. Here are the horizontal rebars. If you look at it carefully, the rebars seem to be quite close to the center. We can adjust the rebar coverage to smaller. We select 38 millimeters. Now following the same procedure, we do another layer for the inner surface. Freeform rebar. Select the hosting surface. Pick the start surface. Pick the end surface. So, we have 2 layers of horizontal rebars now. For vertical rebars, instead of choosing surface, we select Align. Same here, we choose the host surface. We start with the outer one. Then, we pick the rebar installation path. Don't forget to set the spacing of the rebars. Okay, now we have the vertical rebars. Repeating the same steps, we do for the bottom bars. Align. Pick the host. Pick the path. Okay, now we have completed our rebars. Mirror the model to the other side to complete the dome. Okay, that's all we want. A dome with rebars. Thank you. Hope this helps your question. Subscribe to Bimklue channel. I am Owen, and I will be here answering your next Revit question.